Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Thursday, March 12th, 2020. Okay, depending on what side you're on, the short side or long side, we had another historic day for the stock market, or particularly the Dow Jones, and probably the S&P 500. I think we're pretty neck and neck with a 10% drop today, which is the largest since I think they said 1987, which was tagged as Black Monday, largest percentage drop, I believe, in the history of one day in the history of the stock market. So we're in some potentially uncharted territories. So just be safe out there, health-wise. Number one, just take all the necessary precautions and measurements to be healthy as best as possible. Like they say, wash your hands. Just be aware of where you're at, and if you happen to be sick, and not take any chances. Obviously a small percentage here in the United States, as far as we know, but it's not worth it. Health is number one, and of course we love trading so much, so we want to be able to trade for a while and do this. So we definitely want to think of our health first. So today, really just getting back on track on my trading. I traded just a couple shares really of Tesla, so it was a pretty light day on my live trading. Really just been focusing on the overall stock market and trying to do some research unsuccessfully to really look for some long-term plays. So that's been really occupying my mind, as that's kind of like more retirement thinking long term, but this is unfortunately got to take advantage of what the market gives you, and the market's giving you potential opportunities that we may not see again in our lifetime, or maybe I know they probably said that back in 2008 as well, but this could be heading down that territory, if not worse. So definitely want to be prepared and just kind of look and see companies that and like and feel are going to be in it for the long haul. Currently industries, I believe, are like oil and energy stocks are getting pummeled. Retail stocks are getting hammered. And then, of course, airlines and leisure or cruise lines are getting hammered. So there might be some, once we get through all the carnage and the dust and see when it settles, who's the good sounding financial company that you would mind having in your portfolio, or adding to it if you had it already and are being really brave and holding on to it during this whole time. And that's going to, make you decent results to outperform the market, hopefully at least, for the next, 3 to 5 to 10 years. That's what we have to look at. That's long-term investing. Now back to day trading. So I traded Tesla. Really was bearish sentiment, gapping down here, and once I saw respecting, really had a lot of uphill battle here in the open, a lot of volume, came down, popped up. I took a short here around 573. I like that it was below VWAP and below the 200-day moving average on the 1-minute chart, so I thought this was pretty good. Resistance above here, kind of hovered and came down, so I sold 568.80. So that was a decent move. Pulled back up, and I thought it was kind of somewhat creating a reverse ABCD pattern in a way, but I just covered because I just really didn't want to mess with the market too much today. Focus on work, and then also, like I said, my long-term investments. But I did miss an opportunity. It really kind of flushed down here. From 569 all the way down to 552. So yeah, that would have been a nice, even with a few shares, nice little return on investment there, ROI there, risk to reward, however you want to say it. So that was pretty much it. And then I did on Sim, traded the SPY once again at bias, shorted around 252, excuse me. Added my position at 250.71 and covered at 250.39, and then covered at 249.91. That was really quick, so my sim made a few bucks there. Looks like I'm disconnected to the server, so I'm just gonna log out. So anyway, that was my trades for today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll do a few more shares and hopefully have better time planning in my day trading, and then also going to research this whole weekend because I definitely want to take the opportunity to um, continue to look for long term as well. So kind of short term and long term is how I want to play it. So hope everyone had a green day and continues to have a green day despite the turbulent times and crazy volatility. And let's finish the week strong tomorrow, and I'll talk to you later.